Okay, so we are back and we started now. We are starting now to put the EPS boards on. He's preparing them. We are going to start from the bottom up, and hopefully today we'll board everything. It's not a lot to do, but we have the porch which doesn't have a frame, and we don't actually know where. No, I was saying the porch is not ready yet because it doesn't have a frame at the moment, and we don't have the precise measurement so we can finish this side with the boarding, because it's going to be definitely a little bit smaller than what actually is now. And I'm thinking we've done some measurements, so it's about 140 mil bigger, 150 even. And yeah, we are waiting for the frame, and I will have to check with that to see exactly the measurement of the frame, so we can actually board the face of the porch, because at the moment we cannot board it. Anyway, let's just start with the boarding. installed finally. It even rained a little bit, like always when I'm doing this kind of job I have that type of problem. Now we are putting our last mechanical fixings in. We already done up there, and yeah, I just put the EPS boards on the porch, but they are a little bit bigger, as you can see. Bravo, bravo. So they are bigger than the wall, because I don't know yet where I should stop. Looks good. So alright, I believe we are ready to pass to the next stage, and the next stage are going to be the corner beads, which we have them here, a few, and then we are going to put our first coat of adhesive reinforced with a fiberglass mesh, and that is going to help a lot even with the cracks. Don't forget, this is a timber frame house. It's a lot of timber there, so it might move a little bit and it can create cracks, but when we have the fiberglass mesh on, then it's quite difficult to get any cracks on the new render. So right, let's carry on. And alright guys, fast forward, and voila, corner beads done. I still need to do a little bit of adhesive on the top. I just mixed a little bit here because the support that is holding the camera broken, and now it's quite difficult to put it up to film or to put it anywhere to film. But I think I have the solution, because duct tape, it's always going to repair stuff, isn't it? So now I'm just going to go up there, and I'm going to stick the camera to the scaffolding bars, and hopefully I can get some footage. So let's go up. We are fine. It's staying quite good over there, the camera I mean, and let's see if I can easily take it down, because I put quite a lot of ducting tape. Anyway, now I'm just going to put some adhesive on and then embed the meshing. So alright guys, kind of a bad weather today, and I need to do my final coat. Everything was primed and the reveals are done, and now we just need to do the walls, and this is my setup for now. It's not much, but at least it's going to let me do some work around here, because I have about maybe 3-4 days that I'm not doing much around. I was just preparing a little bit the porch. I will will still need to put some corner beads here. I've done a few. I put my tape. I've done a little bit of making good here and there. I had to apply other small pieces of plasterboard because they were missing. Usually when people are doing the jobs, they just like to do the big pieces, and small pieces they are just going to leave it for somebody else. Just leave the job saying, oh, okay, well, the plaster can put that. No, doesn't work like that. It's not fair for the next trade, but this is happening quite often. For example, here are the windows. The window guy, they didn't put a beading on there just to close nicely the end of the window, because we have a bigger gap on that side at the top and less at the bottom. But yeah, that is on all the windows, and I'm not rendering that side, and it's supposed to be done. Really, I don't know what they are going to do, because usually I don't have these corner beads. I'm not doing PVC usually, so they will have to take them, and they should have been included in the window price, because usually they have a lot in there than all these type of beads. But yeah, you have to be quite careful when you install your windows. And I will give you an advice: when you install your windows, tell them to finish the job. Don't tell them that somebody else is going to come and do other works around. That is a finished job. If somebody is going to come and do other jobs like rendering, it will have to protect or take care of the windows the best that he can. So first of all, take all the stickers out so you can check all the PVC is not scratched or damaged, and that is going to be a less job. Then whoever is going to come, it will have to tape it back, and you know, because anyway we are doing it anyway, so it is what it is. Second, finish with the beads all around. If I don't like the beads, I'm going to take them off and render. Simple as that. Anyway, it started to rain, but I think we can do the job, so why not? Let's just start to put the top coat on. Alright guys, so this is my setup for now. I have everything here. It's quite cozy, outside very windy, and it's raining. Probably you can hear the noise. A little bit scary, but it should be fine. Anyway, right now I just need to stick my camera to the tower someplace, because the clamp broke, so it's going to be quite difficult to put it in one place and then change it to a different place. So I'm going to try to film as much as I can, because I cannot change too much the camera to take different shots, because I will have to be very fast when I'm doing the silicone render. So yeah, I'm going to try to film as much as I can, and yeah, let's just stick the camera. Yeah, it should be alright, just in this corner. Acting tape. Oh, the struggles that I have to do for these YouTube videos. It's already a struggle because it's very kind of bad weather outside, but we cannot let that stop us. So let's go, let's do this. and all done. And I already started to take the protection off from the window. I've done it on that one. I will just need to clean a little bit, and I'm just going to leave it for 1, maybe 2 days to go off. It's already a little bit hard. It can be touched, but yeah, it's enough for me to take this film off and clean the windows a little bit. So yeah. So much easier with 2 hands, not 1. Just going to take this film off, clean a little bit the windows, and show you how it's looking with all this off. I still need to do the porch actually. So the porch is still needs to be done, but I will have to remove all these towers. And if I do that, it's going to be a little bit easier for me to work because it almost touches. So it's quite difficult to reach. Anyway, see you in a bit.